Look at this. Oh, he has ghosted it. Dixon has ghosted. Woo!
Didn't film the ghost ride.
I saw it from down there, yeah. He launched it, didn't he? Did you see it? Dixon. Turn it off. Oh, don't know what that means, do you? Yeah. Go on, Bobby, lad! That'll do, yeah? What have we got? Oh, he's blitzed it. Whoop. Knocked it into neutral. Go on, belly lad. We like a little elbow rub, don't we? It's going up this side. Oh, it's big, that. Woo! That was sick. How class was that? He shut the door on me. Oh, look at this! It's dreamy! How beautiful is it? Oh, we're crossing it! Even better! Oh, I love a rickety old bridge. Get some film in here of the lads. Look at Belly. Go on, Belly! Oh, look at all my friends. Oh. Let's do this. Oh. Oh, he's got some legs on him, this lad. And a good, bloody hell. See, strength for that kid. Jesus. Look, he's smashing it now on the 22 circle. Pivot turn coming up. Plop. Oh, drop the front. Not good. Not good. That is in there. Tickling it across. Waiting for Enduro friend. Oh, he's lobbed it at him. He's absolutely launched it at him. I don't think they're going to be his friends after that. Bobby's got the strength to just muscle that up there. He's got it. Go on, Bob. Oh shit. I'm up. We're good, we're good. I keep it flowing! Handrail! Oh, Bobby! I mean, this is a lovely little gully to ride and what have you. Oh, get that clutch going. Oh, oh. Did you stall it? Hang on, I'll show you in a minute. Diego's letting us all go through for some reason. I'll show you later. We're into a river section, following the old Tomlinson. Ah, we have a fork junction. Straight on.
There was a bit of a fork here, we just carried.
No, keep going down, you melt.
Right, but last time I did that, I ended up getting to
It's definitely straight down. Anyway, this is what I wanted to show the viewers. Look at that. That's the Garmin Fenix 6 Pro smashed with a rock. Brilliant.
yeah, right.
Tomo don't like it either. Oh, the little legs. My little legs didn't reach the floor. Hey?
Tired?
Come on, my leg didn't reach the floor. Keep it flowing. Maybe not down that way, Bob.
Fucking bad.
I'm gutted about my Garmin. Look at it. I mean, look at it. Oh, oh. Get them brakes on. Little trial sections, aren't there? You love them. Oh, that looked deep. It's not too bad. It's not too bad, man. Oh, and that's why it is hard. fun, isn't it? Look at it. We're back on. I broke my finger, broke my watch. Probably just dented my pipe right then. And we're riding a few rivers here. Has he kept on going? Has he gone down? Hey? Look!
How have you done that?
You flicked a rock up at me. Let's keep it rolling. Ooh! That's got a hole in there. I know. Eh? All the way down the river to the lockup. Yeah? Jesus. Eh?
Whoa!
Yeah, that's what I did. Oh my God. We don't actually know. There's that wood in there which makes me feel like they've tried to build stuff there before. I'm just gonna get a new glass fitted when we get back. But I don't want it to damage the screen. I think I've come wrong way. Oh no. He's gonna fall. God, he's just taking his time. Bobby's like, help me. It's still just not helping. Which way is it then? Shut up. Dixon! Dixon! Down here!